Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by clearing quick causes. First, make sure the Airpods and case are charged to at least 50% so radio power is stable. Next, on your Android, forget the Airpods entry to remove stale profiles. This forces a fresh handshake. Once done, power cycle your phone and reset the Airpods by closing, waiting 15 seconds, then opening the case. This triggers pairing mode. These steps remove cached conflicts and restore a clean Bluetooth negotiation environment. Now you'll address system-level interference. Disable battery optimization for Bluetooth services and any audio apps so Android doesn't suspend the connection. This prevents midstream drops. Then adjust Bluetooth codec and profile settings. Choose AAC or SBC if your device supports them, to improve stability and reduce renegotiation. After that, clear the Bluetooth app data to remove corrupted settings, and check for Android system updates and vendor firmware. Those fixes often contain critical Bluetooth reliability patches that prevent disconnects. Finish by repairing and validating behavior across use cases. Pair the Airpods fresh and test with music, voice calls, and walk-away/return distance checks to confirm reconnection. If drops continue, try your Airpods with another phone to determine whether the problem is the Android device or the buds themselves. When you still see failures, reset Android network settings to clear layered profiles. If that fails, gather logs and contact support. One key tip: intermittent disconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.